Hey everybody, this is Tip Blitz 19 Update 2. I took some shots of the victim. The belts are shot, and until I become a billionaire, they're unobtainium. However, in the 70s, I had a Unimat, and the drive belt went. I went to Napa Auto Parts and got a brand new neoprene O-ring. It was a little bit skinnier spaghetti-wise and a little bit tighter circle-wise. Worked much better than the original MCO. No, that's a Austrian manufacturing company who manufactured the Unimat. Over here. Yeah. Nice little jeweler's size lathe. Notice I didn't say jeweler's lathe, I said jeweler's size. I mean, they tried. They had all kinds of watchmaker lathe accessories. A dedicated WW spindle for all that. Anyway, I can machine the pulleys so they'll take a O-ring for a drive belt. I'm not going to give up, not yet. You get to see the whole thing, sort of, in small little hunks, JPEGs and 20-second clips. As I may be out of format and context and that with these videos, if I am, just ignore them. However, if you want to see how I go about doing this and not totally Homer Simpsoning it, ever watch Homer Simpson, The Simpsons, and Homer gets down in the basement and he's working on something? I'm not going to do that. You get to watch how bad it gets, and I don't do it. That alone should be popcorn and beer material for you people out there. Please enjoy.